Kinnu app review. Is this learning app worth your time? If you're looking for a way to learn new skills or improve your knowledge through bite-sized lessons, the Kinnu app has been gaining attention as a learning platform worth checking out. In this review, we'll explore what Kinnu offers, how it works, and whether it's a valuable tool for learners of all levels. Kinnu is a mobile learning app that delivers short, engaging lessons on a variety of topics. The idea behind the app is to make learning easy and accessible, offering courses that you can complete in just a few minutes each day. Whether you're interested in personal development, productivity, career skills, or general knowledge, Kinnu provides content designed to fit into a busy schedule. Getting started with Kinnu is simple. You download the app, create an account, and choose topics that interest you. The lessons are visually appealing and easy to digest, often combining text, audio, and animated visuals to help reinforce concepts. This multi-format approach makes learning more interactive and engaging compared to traditional textbook reading. One of the standout features of Kinnu is its daily learning streaks and progress tracking. The app encourages consistency by rewarding you for completing lessons regularly, which is a great motivator for building a habit. For many users, this gamified aspect helps turn occasional learning into a daily routine. Another benefit is the variety of topics available. Kinnu doesn't limit itself to one niche. You can find lessons on mindset, creativity, communication, health, and more. This makes it appealing for people who want a broad learning experience, rather than a focus on a single skill or subject. However, Kinnu isn't perfect. Some users may find that the lessons are too brief or high level, especially if they're looking for deep, comprehensive courses. While the app introduces concepts effectively, it may require supplemental resources to fully master more complex topics. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Kinnu shines with its approachable lesson format and varied content. The short, engaging lessons make it easy to learn consistently without feeling overwhelmed, and the progress tracking and streak features help keep users motivated. The variety of topics also means you can explore different interests all within one app. On the downside, the cons mainly relate to depth rather than quality. Because the lessons are intentionally brief and high level, they might not provide enough detail for users seeking in-depth knowledge or advanced skills. Additionally, full access to all content generally requires a subscription, which may be a consideration for some. In summary, the Kinnu app is a solid learning tool for anyone looking to build knowledge through quick daily lessons. If you enjoy bite-sized learning and want to make consistent progress on a variety of topics, Kinnu is worth your time.